What if I told you some sport utility vehicles can cross 300,000 miles with nothing more than oil changes and brake pads? Here is the truth. While most vehicles end up in the junkyard before hitting 150,000 miles, a select group of sport utility vehicles quietly outlast everything else on the road. Today I'm revealing 10 sport utility vehicles that protect your wallet through rock-solid reliability, low insurance costs, and incredible resale value. Stick around for number 1, plus the bonus segment where I expose 2 sport utility vehicles that drain bank accounts faster than a blown transmission. Ready to buy smart and drive forever? Let's roll. Coming in at number 10, we have the Mazda CX-5, proof that you do not have to choose between fun and reliability. While most compact SUVs feel like soulless appliances, the CX-5 actually makes you want to drive it. Here is what separates it from the pack. Unlike competitors that use unreliable, continuously variable transmissions, the CX-5 uses a real 6-speed automatic. That alone delivers major savings on potential repair bills. RepairPal gives it an impressive 4.5 out of 5 reliability rating, with annual maintenance costs of just $447, lower than almost every rival in its class. Sure, the cabin is a bit tighter than a RAV4, but you are trading space for better build quality and a more refined driving experience. With strong resale values, it is one of the smartest buys in the compact SUV market. At number 9, the Honda Pilot is a 3-row family hauler that just keeps going. Multiple owners report crossing 300,000 miles on the original engine. One forum member documented 346,000 miles, with only routine maintenance and a single air conditioning repair. Now, let us address the elephant in the room. Early Pilot transmissions had issues, but here is the secret Honda owners know. Drain and fill the transmission fluid every 30,000 miles, and these transmissions last forever. One owner replaced theirs preventively at 357,000 miles, and the old one was still running fine. The magic is Honda's proven 3.5-litre V6 engine. It is a bulletproof design, refined over decades. The 2006 to 2008 first-generation models and the 2017 to 2021 third-generation models are the sweet spots. Avoid the 2016 model year specifically. It was a generation changeover with more complaints. Sliding into number 8 is the Toyota Sequoia, the full-size SUV that redefines longevity. According to IC Cars research, the Sequoia has a potential lifespan of 296,509 miles. Forum-verified sightings show examples crossing 500,000 miles and still running strong. The secret is the second-generation Sequoia uses Toyota's legendary 5.7-litre V8 engine, the same bulletproof motor found in the Tundra. Around 11.2% of all Sequoias on the road have crossed 200,000 miles. The 3-row SUV segment averages just 0.9%. That is not a small difference, it is a reliability chasm. The maintenance secret is replace the timing belt every 90,000 to 100,000 miles, along with the water pump. Skip this service and you are risking catastrophic engine damage. Do it on schedule and you have got a vehicle built for the long haul. From 2009 to 2021 model years are your best bet. At number 7, we have the Lexus GX 460, the best kept secret in the luxury SUV market. It shares its platform, engine and drivetrain with the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser. You are getting Land Cruiser durability wrapped in Lexus luxury. Forum members routinely report 250,000 miles or more, with 0 major issues beyond routine maintenance. One owner bought a GX 460 with over 250,000 miles. and mechanics confirmed the drivetrain should last hundreds of thousands of miles more, a testament to the vehicle's reliability. Here is the value play. Used Lexus GX 460 models often sell for less than used Toyota RAV4s, yet you are getting a body-on-frame luxury SUV with genuine off-road capability. RepairPal gives it a 3.5 out of 5 rating, with an average annual repair cost of just $770. Insurance companies like it too, with only a 9% probability of severe repairs. The GX460 has remained largely unchanged since 2010, which means Toyota perfected the formula early. That consistency translates to known reliability, affordable parts, and mechanics who understand these vehicles inside and out. Cracking the top half at number 6 is the Chevrolet Tahoe and Suburban, specifically the 2000 to 2006 GMT 800 platform. Here is a story that proves it. One Iowa man drove his 2001 Suburban to collect $150,000 in lottery winnings. The odometer read 849,000 miles. Another owner hit 420,000 miles on their 2002 Tahoe with the original engine and transmission. The magic is in the 5.3-litre Vortec 5 8 engine, legendary for its longevity. And because GM built millions of them, parts are cheap and available everywhere. The 2002 to 2006 models are your sweet spot. These years avoid early 2000s GM issues, and they predate the problematic active fuel management system introduced in 2007. Are they perfect? No. Expect to replace fuel pumps and oxygen sensors over time, but the major components are built to last. IC Cars found that 4.1% of Tahoes have exceeded 200,000 miles, ranking it 7th among the longest-lasting vehicles. Quick pause here. If you are getting value from this list, smash that like button right now. It helps the channel grow, and trust me, the next SUV has a reliability secret that even most mechanics do not know about. At number 5, we have the Acura RDX, specifically the 2013 to 2018 second generation. Here is the secret most people miss. The RDX shared its powertrain with the Honda Pilot. That means you are getting Honda's bulletproof 3.5-litre V6 and the proven 6-speed automatic, wrapped in a luxury package. It is essentially a Honda Pilot in a suit. While German luxury SUVs often plummet in value, the RDX holds strong. Many owners report reaching 150,000 miles with nothing but routine maintenance. Try doing that with a BMW X3 without a $5,000 transmission bill. A well-maintained 2013 to 2018 RDX often sells for less than a used RAV4, yet you are getting more space, more features, and luxury comfort for economy SUV money. That is a depreciation hack most buyers completely overlook. Because it carries a luxury badge, insurance costs are often lower than mainstream SUVs like the Equinox or the Escape. At number 4, we have the Honda CR-V, the compact SUV that finally dethroned the RAV4. The latest CR-V delivers better handling, better standard safety features, and even better fuel economy at 30 miles per gallon combined. But here is the real shocker. Some second-generation CR-V models from the early 2000s are closing in on 500,000 miles. That is 500,000 miles of family road trips and daily commutes, all without a major engine or transmission rebuild. The CR-V consistently earns IIS, top safety, PIC Plus ratings, which means lower insurance premiums every month. And resale value? Honda's reputation keeps CR-V values sky high. You won't take a financial beating when it is time to trade up. The CR-V proves that practical does not have to mean boring. Number 3 brings us the Subaru Forester, a compact SUV that is practically bulletproof. Consumer Reports gave it an astonishing 98 out of 100 reliability score. Now, let us address the controversy. Subaru's continuously variable transmissions had problems about a decade ago. But here is the truth: Subaru fixed the issue. Modern Foresters equipped with continuously variable transmissions are reliable, as long as you change the continuously variable transmission fluid every 30,000 miles. That is the maintenance secret most owners miss. Owners routinely push their Foresters past 200,000 miles without major repairs. And because Subaru has such a loyal following, resale values stay strong. Standard all-wheel drive, top safety ratings, and fuel efficiency, better than many mid-size competitors, make the Forester one of the smartest buys in the SUV market. At number 2, we have the Toyota RAV4, the best-selling SUV in America. And unlike many bestsellers that coast on marketing alone, the RAV4 earns its throne through bulletproof reliability. Older RAV4s regularly cross 300,000 miles without a single major repair. Models from 2010 are still running strong on their original drivetrains. And because Toyotas have that reputation for longevity, the RAV4 holds its value incredibly well. Used models often sell for almost as much as brand new rivals from Honda or Ford. Here is the financial lesson. Buying a RAV4 is not just about reliability, it is about equity. Unlike vehicles that lose half their value the moment you drive off the lot, a RAV4 is more like a savings bond. You can cash out years later and still get a solid return. And at number 1, we have the Hyundai Santa Fe, a name that might surprise you. A decade ago, Hyundai was not known for reliability, but the Santa Fe has completely rewritten that story. The secret weapon is warranty coverage. Hyundai backs this SUV with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. So even if something big goes wrong, you are not paying for it. And it is not just marketing fluff. Real-world Santa Fe owners cruise past 200,000 miles, with little more than oil changes, brakes, and tires. Fuel economy is solid, resale value keeps climbing, and insurance rates are usually cheaper than rivals like Jeep or Volkswagen. Modern Santa Fe's come loaded with technology and safety features that rival luxury brands, yet you are paying mainstream prices with warranty coverage that blows everyone else away. Hyundai proved they are serious about reliability, and they are willing to guarantee it. We've covered the winners. Now it's time for the losers. These two SUVs might look good on the lot, but they'll empty your wallet fast. First up, the Jeep Grand Cherokee. From 2011 to 2024, recent Grand Cherokees are plagued with problems, with electrical issues, transmission failures, and steering problems. RepairPal gives it a reliability rating of 3.5 out of 5, ranking it 15th out of 26 mid-size SUVs. The 2011 to 2014 models suffered from the infamous TIPM failures, causing everything from engine stalls to complete electrical shutdowns. The 2014 to 2017 models dealt with finicky 8-speed transmissions. Recent models are not much better. Owners report infotainment systems that randomly shut down, and electrical gremlins that dealers cannot fix. When things go wrong, they get expensive. Transmission repairs can exceed $3,000. Unless you love playing Russian roulette with repair bills, skip the Grand Cherokee. Second on the avoid list is the Ford Explorer from 2011 to 2019. On paper, it looked perfect, roomy, stylish, and loaded with tech. But under the hood, things got messy fast. The biggest issue was transmission failures. Owners reported jerky shifts, hesitation, and complete breakdowns well before 100,000 miles. Repairs often cost $3,000 or more. Add in water pump leaks, electrical glitches, and a parade of recalls, and the Explorer quickly became more of a headache than a helper. While Ford has improved recent models, the 2011 to 2019 model years are best avoided. Here's the truth. The smartest SUV is not the one with the lowest price tag or the flashiest badge. It's the one that stays out of the repair shop, keeps insurance costs low, and still holds its value 10 or even 20 years down the road. A reliable SUV can save you tens of thousands of dollars over its lifetime. Lower repair bills, fewer trips to the mechanic, cheaper insurance, and stronger resale value all add up. Meanwhile, an unreliable SUV does not just drain your bank account, it drains your time, patience, and confidence. Here is something most people overlook. The money you save on one of these dependable SUVs could easily cover the down payment, or even the full cost of your next car. In other words, driving the right SUV today is like investing in your future. It pays you back year after year, mile after mile. Plus, owning a vehicle you can truly trust changes how you live. Instead of worrying whether your car will start in the morning, you get freedom. Freedom to take that family road trip without fear. Freedom to keep driving comfortably into retirement without wondering if your car will hold up. So which SUV would you trust to keep for the next 10 years, maybe even 20? Drop your answer in the comments below. And do not forget to subscribe for more insider tips, the kind that save you money, protect your investment, and help you buy smart, so you never have to worry about surprise repair bills again.